Chef Brian with Monogram and the Monogram Experience Center. I'm going to show you how to make some brownies today, and my favorite way to make brownies is in the 5-in-1 oven with Advanium technology. So we've got 3 sticks of butter in our pan here that we've melted, and if you kind of see it, it looks a little brown. That's a good thing. If you want to just melt the butter and add the chocolate and sugar, you can. You can also brown it a little bit. Gives it kind of a nutty character, and the smell of this is amazing. So we're going to take our sugar and our dark chocolate, and let's add this in to this melted butter. And we're just going to stir this until the chocolate melts, and then we'll go in with the rest of our ingredients. So you can see we're melted. We're going to go in with our eggs. Now, you don't want this, the reason I want you to just melt it is we don't want it boiling because we don't want to scramble our eggs when we put them in. So let's go in with our eggs, 4 eggs, mix those up. Got our eggs mixed in. We're going to go in with our dry ingredients, our flour, baking powder, salt, and cocoa. And we're just going to stir this in until it's incorporated. Now, once you get this stirred in, we can bake it as is, or if you like walnuts or pecans in your brownies or coconut, that's the time when you would fold it in, and you put as much or as little of those in there as you like. But we're just going to go straight chocolate brownies today. We've got this all mixed in. We've got our 9x13 pan. We've got just that sprayed with some pan spray, or you could rub it with butter. It's up to you. Spread this out evenly. And let's take it over to the 5-in-1 and get this thing baking. All right, so I'm going in with oven safe pan, and I'm just going to go straight onto the turntable here. No need to put this on to a metal or glass pan. All right, we're going to set this up. Precision cooking. We're going to fresh baked goods, desserts, brownies, and we're going to use the rectangular pan size. It's got our settings here, our uppers at 2, our lowers at 10, our microwaves at 2, and our convections at 7. We're going to hit start. 17 minutes. We'll come back. We'll see how they're doing. So let's take a look. There you go. The ultimate brownies.